Introducing the Urban Heaven Multi-Package Delivery System from HevenDrones and Unmanned Systems Operations Group. Our integrated system provides unique stability that allows multi-package delivery, large payload capacity, and the adaptability of having 3 different payload systems work on one drone. Right out of the box, the perfect on-demand drone delivery solution. HevenDrones develops the hardware and software for the next evolution in the drone industry. The Unmanned Systems Operations Group cargo system enables the urban drone to carry multiple packages and drop them at separate addresses, significantly enhancing the e-commerce logistics. Unmanned Systems Operations Group's technology employs autonomous flight control and the automated drop-off of packages ranging from small to large parcels. Unmanned Systems Operations Group's smart tether system can lower and retrieve packages up to 10 pounds, with custom options available. The active cable simultaneously enables video, data, and control. The Unmanned Systems Operations Group cargo systems are drone agnostic, safe, reliable, and adaptable. The Urban Heaven Multi-Package Delivery System from HevenDrones and Unmanned Systems Operations Group.